Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another edition of WBE TV, 21st August 2026. Let's see what we have by way of news. So, today, no major US news for 21st August 2026. Although we do have flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI at 945. Those are no longer classified as major news, so we're not capturing it. And we do have President Trump speaking at 7 p.m. Anyway, as always, reduce the time between planting that seed, and harvesting. Poverty loves procrastinating. And now I look at our levels for the day. Our bull target is 29,607, PDH 29,689, PDO 29,561, PDC 29,300, PDL 29,202. Our bear target is 29,362, and our pivot is 29,444. Now let's see what we have in store on the charts. So far we've been doing a bunch of nothing. Chop up a little bit, chop down a little bit. That's basically what's been going on. We keep getting up here and rejecting, and that's likely because that's the previous weekly low, and that's also where we established our Asia high. So, strong level to break through if it wants to continue going up. So we'll see what it wants to do at this point. All we gotta do right now is just sit back and wait, see what it wants to do. As always, thanks for joining us, spending time with us today. Last day of the week. We made some money this whole week. So as always, don't overdo it, don't over leverage. Make sure you close the week in the green. Thanks as always for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. To join us in the free channel, the link is in the description. And to join us in the premium channel, reach out to WBE Master on Discord or Telegram for access. Thanks for being here. Let's make the money. I'll be right back, guys.
Okay. Good morning. Who's out there? You guys long? Let's step away. Yeah, hear me? Check 1, 1, 2.
Hey, morning, guys. Sorry, Ghost. I'm gotta take my daughter to school. I'll be right back.
Hey, no worries.
I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. This thing's still not doing anything. Morning, Ghost.
Good morning. It might be a choppy day, so I'll be very careful.
Gotcha. Yeah, it looked like the.
Huh?
I was saying, yeah, it looked like the overnight and stuff was very, very.
Yeah, overnight it was very choppy. Right? So Asian station barely had any movement. Europe's barely had any movement. We'll have to see if we get a decent breakout or if it's just gonna chop all day.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so probably you're gonna trade this, you might want to arm your scalper ATMs.
Okay.
But market has a way of surprising us, so don't be shocked if it drops, 600, 700, 800 points.
Wow.
Because you still have, you don't have a lot to sweep lower, unless you go for 28,000.
Cool. That'll be a decent move.
Go for 28,000, then sure, let's start looking lower. Start my sell off, so we'll see if it breaks through. It'll have to break 29,480 to kind of pique my interest. But if you reject 29,480, I'll be looking to buy this back to 540s and possibly higher. So I'm gonna have to see the reaction at 480.
Where did you say you buy to?
If I get confirmation of 480, I'd be looking to go 540s would be the first target.
540.
If we lose 480, then we just continue lower into 440s to retesting. Yes, if you lose 480, you could come down into 29,360s. Could be sticking edge on low. Start to lose these 480s. It's a very wild market. Barely any movement overnight. Now it's throwing its big ass. So here goes those 480s. See if they want to crush right through them. Start on those 480. Be very careful here. So if you're in the sell, I would start looking in some profit here. Because you could reject 480 and stop on the top up. Seem to be closing 480. What are they going to do here? Watch through this. Next target is going to be 450. More points to 450. See what they do with that. It should be well protected, deep in profit.
Yeah. Just took you high. Just got it.
You can see what they want to do here. Stuff's about 485. Depending on your entry, once the entry should be about 500. Let's stop at 485. Because if they bounce, you just create a fair value gap at 500 that you would be buying into. That'd be the first area price would look. Be 500. Very weird overnight price action. Maybe one or two good moves overnight. Just to be able to control. Let's see, this wants to get down to 450. 3 more points to 450. And move stops to about 485. Right. I'll close your trade. There's a lot of liquidity in this level. Come down, switch 452 and bounce right back up. If you start to lose that 452 area, you'd come down to 444. So I'd have stops at 480. Okay. So if you armed your system, regardless of the time frame, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, you should be in a breakout sell. And right now, I should have tagged on a continuation sell. These trades are in profit. I'll watch for reaction. So all your limit trades should be in profit, and you're just watching for the reaction. If you want to see, like I said, right, you never know what Max will give you, right? Shitty price action, and then comes in right before the open and drops this almost 150 point move. So you just never know what it's going to deliver. So yeah, 450 is incoming. It's going to be a fast target, I guess. It should be trading 480s. 450 is done. Almost there. Right. Yeah. It hit 452, which is a peak level. We'll go lower, but I'd move stops now to 465. So 465 right now. Your trails should be about, again, given the range overnight, right? Your trails should be kicking in about 120 ticks. On your automated systems. This is why we can't just go fully hands off, right?
Yeah.
Because there's gonna be some little bit of intervention here and there, depending on what the market decides to do, right? So it's a ranging market, means you need to lower your your trail, right? So you need to set that to a number that's within reason. And right now, the number that's within reason is 126.
Gotcha.
And you could also start there just so you get comfortable, right? Get a feel for the system, get comfortable with it. But right now, 120 is the reasonable trade. It's only based on tonight's price action. On Monday might be different.
Yeah.
So 450 is done. Let's see what they want to do here. If they want to keep rolling through, or if they want to make a U-turn. An interesting one. Rolling through that level, it's gonna mean a move to 402. So if the bulls want this, they have to fight for these 440s. And miss the open. So like I said, you just never know, right? Shitty price action all night, and then there goes a 20-point move. Almost right. 90 down to 4 something for 40. So I don't know what she's gonna do. Just gotta be prepared to eat. All right, so we are at 444. Moved through liquidity at 452. So if you are manually trading, your stop should be about 465. That's where you should be trailing. Get through this, the next level is 402. If you bounce and you take 452 hold, you take 465, then I would look to reverse this to go back into the gap at 500. Just keep that number, right? You reverse this, I'll be looking for 500, and then 500s I'll be looking to go higher. But market is still overall bearish, so we could keep going lower. Again, if you own automated system, you had a breakout. Once the entry was about 500 for the breakout, then you had a continuation trade 468. All those trades should be in profit, and they should be well trailed right now. And by automate, I'm talking about G Pro. I think if you're on Chronos as well, you should be in profit. I just know for sure you should be in profit. Awesome. Let's see. Yeah, Chronos 8 a.m. It should be in profit as well. Yep. Your trade would have been 480, 488. Would be in your trade for the sell.
Yeah.
Not a buy. And you should be in a sell from 488. So really, can't go wrong with any of this stuff. Okay. Be walking like 12 o'clock. So if you're running the automation, right, kick it off at a time you can monitor, right? Time that you know you can watch is where you want to start. Down they go. So going for 402, I believe.
Wow.
So you never know what it's gonna do, but it's gonna do something. But when it's gonna do it, you don't know.
Minutes.
You should not be deep in profit, well protected. I don't think I need to tell you where to put your stops anymore at this point. It should be good. To tell you how to fail this. You're way deep in profit. You're seeking forward to. So manage that whichever way you can or want to. Stop should be deep in profit. Just keep an eye on 402. If they don't sweep through 402, that could be a rejection level. And they could bounce this back. So if I'm going to look for a buy, I'd be looking for a rejection right about here. And I'd be looking to buy a close above 445. But you just looks into demand and look at that, right? So 445 would be a decent level to start picking up buys. They could come in wild and they could be going for 500.
This is different.
Really, it's different.
Pardon?
What do you mean it's different?
No, from the previous days is what I'm saying.
Like price action?
Yeah.
Yeah, your PA is definitely going to be different. So it goes again 445. So if you took that warning that I gave, now you're spiking back in profit. Dip profit if you took the buys, right?
Yep.
It's going to be on higher line. So you should be deep in profit here. I'm going to see if they push 500s.
One minute.
See if they want to push into the fives. They do push into the 500s, break above 500, they're going to go. This will take off like a rocket ship. Failing a favorite gap here.
Could be retest of Tokyo high.
Eyes on 480s.
Here we go.
Get it open.
9:30. Market open.
Shove this down into 402s. If they reclaim 450s, 455, I'll be tempted to take a buy again. Thing yet, just waiting. This to print, it could print lower. So I'll let it do it. I think I might want to go for twos now. Or two looks like a beautiful magnet. See if they want to finish that move to 4-2. Then we'll look for a reaction of 4-2. It doesn't give me 4-2, it stays in the middle of no man's land. There's no action to really take. You want to see liquidity at 4-2 taken. It's there. Come on. Alright, there goes 4-2. Let's see if we get a reaction off this. If we don't, we continue to go down. Yeah, we're wiping off 4-2. Do we reject? Comes the big question. You just keep pushing. Oh, push to the downside. Rejection so far, but it's just moving lower. And the whole big move, stopped us out, and then yank it down. So we just have to see if we get some kind of reaction. On our sales, we'll be deep in profit. Protected. Stand the best a little bit here. Let's see what they do. They either want to go lower or they don't. So if you move back about 4 or 5, I'll be interested.
That's the 4-hour swing low.
See what I want to do here. Just want to go on.
Guess they're going for a shallow. The daily open. All bear targets smashed.
Be careful here because you could sweep 320 and bounce, or you can start laying a trap here, right? Not sweep as low and start to bounce here. But not interested in buying until you get above 4 or 5. Everything in between looks like a trap. As far as your automated systems go, if you're looking for one and done, it should be done. You made your money, picked up. All right, 421 incoming. Again, we'll look for reaction on 421. Let's see what they do with them.
Smash.
All right, 321 done. So the key is, what are they going to do here, right? Are they going to reject and move back up, or do they roll through? Bulls can protect this. Okay, let's get more. I'll watch for 321. 321 back to 402, 405. We'll again be positioning you for a buy. But this point, this market looks really weak. Can't seem to catch a beat. Seems to be trying to catch a beat of 21. Can it hold?
I think the bottom is going to fall out.
You got room all the way to the 180s, right? But now you've sold off too low. You need to push at least 4 or 5. Get some kind of deep pullback to get a nice continuation if you're going to go that low. Yeah. Let me see if I want to dip a foot in the ocean here. I'm going to dip a small buy after that rejection. Dip for a small buy. And let's see if we can lift to 4 or 5s. And then if you reject 4 or 5, I'll look to sell there. That's the only place that I'm looking to sell is 4 or 5. You can't shut down low here. You should be getting out of the trade at these lows. So now you're looking for a pullback into 4 or 5 for a continuation lower. If you break 4 or 5, then you start to go back to look for that week at 480. So all your systems should be screaming down, 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 down. Because you're in demand right now, the demand level, and prices have a hard time breaking below that zone. So what do you do next? You go seek liquidity so you can get a continuation. When you go seek liquidity, you still look for fair value gaps, right?
Yeah.
There's an open, you can start looking higher. 4 or 5. You get about 4 or 5, you start looking higher for 5 minutes again. Let's see if we can lift here. I want to see a lift to, again, for a lift to 4 or 5. Yeah, get to 480s though. 8, if you don't, you lose 321. Then it's game over. So bulls can't lose 321. They have to consolidate here and try to push to 4 or 5. So for 450 seem to be giving them a hard time, right? Can't seem to get above 450. But you can see what they're doing right now. They're basing around this area, right? Getting some kind of base. Kind of don't like that though, because that means we could get a reversal instead of a pullback. Yeah, instead of a pullback to sell, they might end up getting a reversal because they are building liquidity out at these lows. I would have loved to see a strong move, kind of like what they did at the open. Strong move up, strong move down, right?
Right. Like not so fast, buddy.
Yeah. I don't like what they're doing here. they lose 421, it's over. Or 321 rather. It's just going to go lower if they lose that. So they have to fight to protect that low. It's your Asian low anyway. Next level would be 307. If anything, they should be trying to lay traps about these 320s. Push above 325, I'm going to shoot for a buy again. I think they just dropped bears down there. Yep. I think they just dropped bears. So if they push above 45, they're good to go.
45, we have news, PMI.
So if you took that, you should be in profit. So can they get above 45, back to 50s, and then 50s back to 405? You see how they kind of struck lower, they hit the trap, and now they're starting to push higher. Question is going to be get through the 50s to go fill those fair value gaps. Lifting 50s. So you took that entry for 20s, right? You should be 30 points in profit. Now, what they want to do with these 50s becomes very interesting, right? They keep rejecting that, we could flush right back down. Yeah, not the ideal sell. So I'm not chasing this to 7. I'm out. I'll keep bidding, and I'll get flashing over 302s, I guess. See if they can sweep 302. I'm probably gonna bid 325 again. It's completely off script or strategy. I'm just trading what I see.
Yeah.
strategy wise, you're already in profit, you're already done. So this I'm just catching moves as I see them. Sure, right? So 25 to 50 seems to be the decent range right now until they get below 302 or get below 350. We're just gonna base around there. And so I'd rather buy the low of that base. Simply because price has already sold off quite a bit. So whenever they drop, I'd rather jump in for a buy and try to sell the low.
Right, my guys, excuse me.
Let's see if I want to do it again. If I become the entry. Get above 25, you can get another go at this back to 50. And you watch reaction at 50. You're looking for 50s to break and hold. If they can't break and hold above 50s, you don't have a continuation, you exit. Take your money and you run. Kind of like the double bottom here.
Yeah, it looks like.
It's like it's shaping up.
Unless you want to come back into that gap, at least.
Either gap or even the week at 490 that they put in up there. That's very possible too. But whether they do it depends on whether they can get above these 350s. Remember, elevator down, escalator up. So go to the upside. It's always going to take slightly longer.
No, sir, it's the stairs up. The escalator is still too fast.
Oh, stairs up? All
Yep.
right, cool. Stairs up.
Stairs up.
Go to the upside. It'll take longer.
Mm-hmm.
Shape up.
Stairs up, skydive down.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. We
That's
fall
all.
down.
So they can't seem to win that battle at 350. So if you're looking for a long-term hold, 350 is going to be the level that you want to see price take out. You lose 302, you're coming lower into 280s. Now, if you're running Ghost Pro and you left some runners, right, you should have some nodes that are still trailing if you took a re-entry. If not, most of your stuff should be out, right? So 280s incoming, they just broke that low. So they're going for 280. $280 becomes the new level to watch, and then buys above 315. And I don't want to sell this low. You don't want to. It's where in demand. Alright, 280 is done. Now what you gonna do with these 280s? I'll look for buys above 305. Because I think you're just laying traps now. The more you extend lower, think the more sellers paying, thinking this is going to keep pushing. They could be right, they could win the battle. But if you do push back above 305, I'll go for it. Again, this is all completely off script now. Not following any strategy, just trading what I see right.
Could we be going for that candle on that week August 6th, 9 o'clock?
Can't see that far from my screen.
Ooh, you're on your phone?
Yep. To see something there, sure. You could come down as low as 202.
Oh wow.
That's the next target that I see, 202. If you're running Chronos, you should be in a Chronos sell. It just took a sell of 320, I believe. So if you're running that, you should be in a sell and you should be in but early trading, I'm not interested in selling it. Now my bias just moved to 85. You can see how I'm kind of walking my levels down with what price is doing, right? Price goes lower into a liquidity level, I set a new buy level, right? I'm not buying the same old level, right?
Yeah.
The lower they drop, the higher the chances of what? Some kind of decent pullback, retracement, whatever you want to call it.
Right.
Okay, because I'm looking for a sell a little higher. I'm looking for a sell at 4 or 5, and they don't want to give it, and that's fine, right? At some point, they will try to give that. If they don't, that's okay too. Looks like somebody's cashing in.
TP got smashed. That's the manual trade though, but I'm good. My Cronus is good for the day.
We'll see if they want to lift here, lift 3 or 2, 3 or 5. I wouldn't take a buy unless they get above 3 or 5. Anything shy of that is a trap. And be interested. They lift again. One sells of 4 or 5, and they keep denying it. Just don't think I can trust anything lower than that. So from the initial sell at 500s, this thing has dropped. That stupid week stopped us out. Let's move right at the open, or right before the open, you know. But you've dropped almost 20 points, right? 300 points almost, getting there. After some really shitty overnight price action. Okay, do they want to do more, or is it time to bounce? Time check, 8 o'clock incoming. Oh, 10 o'clock for you guys.
Yeah. 10 o'clock. You know what that means? Either continuation or reversal. The way this looks like it wants to. Oh,
It really does look extremely bearish, right?
It looks very bearish, yeah.
Every attempt to buy has been sold into without reasonably pushing any higher. Not moving into reasonable zones to sell, right? So just be careful. Get trapped. And if you don't know what you're doing, trust the system. Don't try to sell or buy randomly because you're going to get hit. Okay? So your system figure the trades for you. That's simple. I'm taking a buy here. Super light, not too crazy. Just taking a buy back to 350. By coming off 3. Not risking more than 10 points on a straight.
That's a chance.
It's like, oh, it's to go 1,000. But I cut the L small and re-enter. In and out. So 10 points, I'm out. 350. So far so good. Beautiful fight. And we push. Right. What's stopping us from getting up there? I see. 320s. And there's a fair value gap sitting right above 320. Order block actually. So I think if we get through 320, 330s, definitely go for 350. But so far we are failing. Again, tight stop. Not looking to risk too much. But I like how it's setting up. So if you want to wait for a break of 320 and you can take a much better trade above 320 because we could fail here and get slapped right back down. 320, there's nothing stopping us from going for a fight. Alright, I'm not re-entering. Letting it be. I'll wait for 320. 320s. I'm gonna look again. It says low. I'll leave on 202. He doesn't want to give me that seller 405 today. The ideal sell. They right there, that 405. And buy into the 85. Just above those equal lows. Going in for a buy. Make a lot of money off this trade. Well, come on. Then I'll be done for the day.
It's Friday. So
If this can't push above 320, I'm done. Okay, there we go. In profit. Come on. Oh, fuck. This- Setup is right there. Setup is beautiful. It's just going to require patience to let it work out. There we go. There we go. Bomb 305s, baby. You got liquidity. You got a lot of stuff in there. Just look at this thing. There we go. 99. It's 15 points. Give me a break. Beautiful. You should be deep in profit. Lock in some. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
Oh boy.
There we go. 320s. Beautiful trade. What I say? Make a lot of money. Hey.
yeah.
Talk about timing. That was perfectly timed. 85s trade back into 320. Now, can we get above 320 to give me 5? Market means bulls need to stop being lazy and just squeeze. We need to stop being lazy and squeeze here. I want to see 405 so I can sell high. That's what I want. And they've been denying me that freaking sell. Want that sell. 405. There we go. That is, you should be deep in profit on that trade if you took it. Okay. If you're just entering 25s, like I said, if we break above 25, you could take a buy. Right? Take a buy 25. You're really looking for 25 to close 30. And if you can get above 30, I can get my 350. Above 350, I can get 75. 75 to 405. Again, just be a little careful here. Don't oversize, don't over leverage, because the trend has not shifted yet. Trend's still bearish overall. Talking strong bearish. No jokes, bearish. So, too heavy. All right, now let's see if we retest 305 and stay here, test. Let's see if it's got life or not. Just full of it. man. Honey. Struggle here, big time. So we are holding 305s, but we can't seem to miss above 320s. It's very important to be above 320. Guess we're gonna have a chance to push. Close above 325. Very 339 at worst case scenario. So it's very important that they come this and keep it locked. 25s. Can we get above 25? Still fail. Doesn't look good though. Doesn't look promising. As long as we don't lose 305. Tell you what. Interested in buy. Not a buy.
So you're not chasing it?
I'm interested in another buy.
Oh, okay.
Is what we're gonna do. Push 310. About 330 the position. So let this pullback play out. Then start to look at 310. If you close below 305, that trade is invalidated. I'm very uninterested. I do like how the bears are swinging here because they're likely to get trapped. Kind of like how they're biting in here. If they fail, then the move to the upset is going to be strong. Close below 305 again. I just talked about it. Is it came in strong? Can they just go to 202 then? Can they just take this to 202 and just push it to 202 so I can start looking for another trade? I hope we just don't start to range here. You know, piss me off. Alright, 250 is just off 202. And we can trades off 202. Failed the fair value gap, and oh, there you go. Again, predominantly bearish rate, but I'm not interested in selling these lows. I wanted something. Still saying, nope. I got it to you. So now what I want is 202. And if they don't give me 202, I'm not doing anything. 202 is where liquidity is resting right now. So if you can give me 202, sit with it, fair value gap. So can't come down with such strong momentum, not have any follow. That's just outright dumb. Have to go to. It's the only level that makes sense right now.
Saying 202?
Yeah.
Or a potential buy.
Yeah, you gotta come down to 202 for potential buy. That's the only level that makes sense right about now. Whatever this is that they're doing right now does not make any sense.
I'm thinking 220. But we'll see. Kind of see what's at 220.
Good?
Or no?
So you good?
Oh yeah. Perfect. Can't complain. Shit. Go to. Don't do it. Come on now. No sense. Come on, let's go. Push 206. I see your 3. I see your 222. I don't see that. There's also possible bear reversal as well. Yeah, I see 220. If you come down 220, you come down 200. It's just 200. You got unfinished business at 200. Why not?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking she's gonna go down to.
Why not take 200? 140. I'm gonna set limit order. So, yeah, let's stop at 183. Alright, was it 220? Better not bounce here. Good. Okay, limit order 205. Stops 183. Make sure Chronos, because Chronos should be done that day. My Chronos off. Second week. Yep. Turning that shit off. Alright, now we go. I get 205. Just suck.
I kind of want to see it come on at 29,000, to be honest.
Yeah.
But that's very ambitious considering this drop already.
I mean, you got levels at 29.40. Those are your new bear targets. So you could definitely come down 28. What I call earlier, was it 28.960? Something like that. It could still happen. Now this sucker going by without giving me a trade. Oh, shit. You're going to push up, I'll give me 205. Good one. See? Anyway, something to be shared. 30 point marks the upside. Then she's gonna go 4 or 5. Give me a fucking entry. Pardon my French. That trade just pissed me off.
Nah, no
So
worries.
bad.
You know what it's time for, right? Time to take a shot.
We all
Not yet.
you.
Too early. Too early for a shot. I need to get a nap and then I come back. Maybe around midday. Some Hennessy.
That's all right, boss. I'll take it for you.
Take one pizza, Chris.
Yep, I got you. Right back.
All right, so at this point, I would turn off all the auto traders because we're done. Right? Your ghost pro should have made you money. Right? Again, remember, you know your time better, you know your trading window better, right? Your trading window is 8 to 10. It's approaching 10:30. So you should have made money if you turned on your system at 8. You should have made money. Right? You gotta buy, that didn't really give you too much. Then you had that nice sell, trickled down beautifully, got stopped on a pullback, and probably didn't give you any other entry. And you picked up. Kronos has done its thing as well. Should be done there as well. So I'll turn off all the other traders. Turn off all the algos, and everything else in between is now just a lot of nothing. Okay. Yeah, shitty price action overnight. You guys should have had your algos. You'll get your algos last night. So should have had those running. Money. Alright. Are we gonna get 202? We gotta limit order this way. Let's get it. Now here's the deal though. Get back about 305. I'm gonna buy again. That's how stubborn I am. So if you get about 305, I will buy and I will target 25s. About 25s, I'll target 360. 360, I'll target 405. I still like a sell at 4.5. It's sitting right there. The seller dropped at 4.5. And when we lift into him, he's going to look to exit. So he might even add to his order to squeeze these guys out. Okay, if not, the bulls will just squeeze him out, and then I'll become part of that liquidity too. So I want to see that buy to 405 so I can start selling 5. Okay, so if you get above 305, I'm buying. I can't buy here because you got too much fair value gap coming right up about to what? It's about 288. So I can't take that risk. If I had to, I should have bought lower, which is about 240. But I wanted 205 and just did not get it. Very stubborn. Right? So, let's see. Not enough confirmations for me to put a toe in the ocean. But I'm going to put a toe in the ocean. Equal lows. 295s. Toe in the ocean. Going in. BD. You're gonna do with my toes, you're gonna crush them. So much. You guys still there?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm still here. Yep.
We too quiet sometimes.
Nah.
All right, so in the ocean playing out beautifully. So that's working out. That's the real beauty going in there. Risky back to 305, but gotta do what I gotta do, right?
Absolutely.
Do what I do. And this thing stop. Sorry. Your money, baby. Damn. Yeah. Much easier to follow the trend.
You think it's a short-term pullback?
So, man, as long as I get 402, it can be whatever time it wants. As long as I get 402, it can. Just needs to get above 425. Can't get above 425, I'm out. No, this is too long. I kind of like what they just did there, though. So sweep lower, deny 202, and then push. You're still not getting above 320. So what are you trying to do? I'm speaking. Sometime you do have to drop in about 30 minutes, and I'll jump back on about 1 o'clock ish. So maybe midday. See. I think Bulls want some action here.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
They can't keep failing at 321. It's like a failed rally. Keep failing. Gotta take something. Man, fuck, even keep attention to. Oh, I don't like that we got prematurely stopped our last spell and this thing continued to go down and it's denying us still at 45. Like that shit won't be. Failing. Gotta wait for this 5-minute candle to close. 5-minute candle needs to close bullish for like counts to go bullish. Oh. This time. Buyback look bearish. Not good.
I feel like it's probably going to try to make an attempt at a low. Fail.
Slowing down though. Really slowing down. So I don't know about attempting another. I still like go to, but I don't know about it. After bouncing off 22s, 25s. Here's the deal. If you can hold here 280s, great. Then you can make an attempt for, again, 350s. I'll see us going lower if we hold this level. If we don't, then we get 202. Man, if you got a 5-minute in Ninja and see these liquidity levels, you'd be wowed at this morning's rejection. Right off, what's that? 545-ish to 452 to 321, and the next is 202. Beautiful gap at 405. I don't know why we can't just buy into that. Sell. Let's go relieve that seller and sell out of this shit. Into 29,080. Actually, 28,980. Get 4-5. Aggressively. How you guys doing so far?
Doing all right. Just watching.
Anybody run their algo this morning?
No, I wasn't prepared because by the time I saw the drive, I was like, it's gonna take me a while to get set up and stuff. So I said I'll do it, afterwards.
No worries. Anybody else? Somebody get set up on time?
I have mine installed, but I was able to turn it on and put it on.
No, I was on the old Chronos this morning, so Greg will do mine later.
Good.
Queen dropping bombs.
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, what are we doing? Just buying them. Imagine how many people buying, selling, getting trapped. Applications too. Alright, Bulls them to play it again. Will they get crushed? Again. They put dents this time.
It looks like they're gonna step up to the plate. I see like a
it's like a what? Sorry.
It looks like a little mini inverted head and shoulders on the 2-minute.
Talking.
Can you hear me?
I say yeah. I said what you talking about inverted head and shoulders?
You don't see it on the 2-minute?
We don't trade.
Course is like anything above 30 seconds, I don't do it.
A decision candle. Either make it in this move. Yeah, this backhand breakout is over. This is it. Do or die. 8 minutes. It's like dice. They couldn't do. They chose to die. Take off now. Then rejection level. That's good. That's looking good and looking promising. But still, you got that fair value gap, 320. It's a problem still. It's not making headway above it. On another prop firm, Legends Trading.
What?
Legends Trading. I don't know if anybody's ever heard of them. But problem is they only pay up through raise. But they look pretty interesting.
Could you repeat the name again?
Legends Trading.
Oh, okay. All right. Thanks.
Yeah, I think I heard of them before. I'm not even too promising.
Here we go, 320s again. Don't let me make some money. Break above. It's looking promising though, for an upside move. I'm interested as long as 305 volts. Keep losing 305. Kind of lose interest in this. You check 325, get very intrigued. You can't get 325, I'm not interested in buying. Three or five held. But is it good enough? Small buy here, put in the ocean.
Oh, I thought you were still holding.
Nah, I got out of that week. The last 2 weeks that came in.
Yeah.
It's Cop City. You can't really hold anything with this kind of price action. Just not going anywhere. If we start to get above 25s, I will look to hold into 5. But for now, in out. This kind of crap I'm talking about right now, right? So you get a push into that. So if you hold this, it becomes really tricky to hold on the lows, right? Especially if you're in the money, in profit, take your money and you run. Rather for re-entry. But this I'm gonna look to hold. It looks good. Pacing really good. Send up liquidity for a move higher, right? First time we print a couple green bars, so I'm intrigued for a buy here. I'm really interested in buying this. I wanna hold it. Looking for those 450s. I'm putting about a 20-point stop. Entry 300. Stops 280. I could go 275. Given the size that I've got on this one. I'm gonna do 275 for the stop. Okay, let me stop this. Honestly, just not breaking out. That's what's pissing me.
HDR low is right there.
You got that, and you got a fair value gap right above.
Yeah.
Just not seeing that strong break. But eventually, I think we'll squeeze. Be patient for it. Rejects again. I'm gonna give it room and let it breathe. It's gonna take time to get above that. Go stop 75. Let's see where she goes. Weird. I could add 395. But I'm actually gonna add 2 more contrasts. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Let's go. I decided to do it. Let's see if it goes this time. Looks like the 2 that I just added, I'm gonna take off for 825. That add at 95 just looks so good. Like a pullback that could lead into a squeeze. Pull back to 95 again, I'm gonna add another 2.
Oh.
Filing into this one. So if I pull back 95, I'll add another 2 contracts. Filing into this shit. I'm expecting a bazooka candle. What the fuck just happened? See, a ninja froze. I did a little bazooka, mini bazooka. Come back down. Alright, 95 incoming. You hit 95 and hold. I'm gonna add 2 contracts. Alright, we can't lose 90. Now we're waiting for push above 95 to add 2. Stop's gonna be the same. Just filing into it. Back above 95, down. I mean, stops the same, 75. Those 2 will come off at 300. Then above 325, we can add again. Not sure I'm gonna give me 300. Okay. Well, 300. Right. 2 off. Easy play, right? Easy money. Now we look to add a 25. Well, 25 we'll look to add again. So see what I just did. I added on the low, and I'm gonna add in profit. Okay. So made money on that position, right? And we get about 25 gonna add. So that was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, 95 to 300. 5 points only, nothing too crazy. But now I'm gonna look to add 25. Easy money. You gotta get a $20,000 day today. You can't keep BSing around like this all week. You gotta get this 20K. So it's failing 315, 320, right? If you can get above that seller at 320, force them to move up. Oh, and it's OPEX week. Today's fucking OPEX Friday. Oh shit, forget about that. Okay, so it means people took profit a little early in the morning. That's what that means. Closed out most of the trades early in the morning. And so we're gonna start squeezing. I think really start to squeeze here.
That's what it looks like.
So, like I said, 25 is gonna add. So I'm gonna add at exactly 25. I'll add 2 more contracts up here. Seems a little risky, but I'm only gonna risk what I made on the other 2. Does that make sense?
So if you lose this one, you're at break even.
I'll break even, right? Yeah. And I still got 3 contracts that are still in.
So it's worth the risk, yeah.
My original 300 entry, right? So I'm still good either way.
You say you're 300 entry?
Yeah. So I've got a 300 entry because I started at 300, then I added a pullback, right? Then I added back as pullback, exit at 300, so my average becomes about 300. So it's 295, about 5 point move.
Okay, I understand. All right.
Yeah. Let's see what this is going to do. There's like 10, so let's see. Oh, it was failing that. It's fine. Oops. Still failing 25. Alright, so you lose 300, I'm gonna cut 2. Simple as that. And then I'll look to re-add the 2 above 25. That's the game I'm playing until we get above 25. The 3 will stay, right? So my average is gonna keep going up because I keep getting in. If I continue getting higher, right? My average entry keeps going up. So now my average entry is 310. Yeah, I hope this sucker squeezes so I don't have to do shit. You have a 336. We start to look really pretty. This is looking really good now.
Did you change your ATM so that way it's a different ATM?
No, because I'm on mobile, so I don't have the time to do that.
I don't know how you do it. I can't do mobile. It's terrible.
I can't. I can't even dream about it. Even thinking about it makes me break out in hives.
Well, here's the thing though. So I remote into my VPS, and then I just print. So see the same things you see on a screen, right? Because I'm in my VPS. Our levels are right there. Everything is right there. It's just that I have to use this stylus to click around, right? So I can't really be flipping ATMs and stuff. Then I might never execute a trade.
Excuse me, guys.
I might never put out trades. It's doing it that way. Okay, we are looking good above 330s. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'm gonna trim some here. I'll lose the 2. Let's hit 350, man. Come on. You hit 350, I'll lose the 2. You can do it. Done. All right. What's next? What's next?
Let's see what she does here.
Okay. So now I'm only in 3 contracts, and that's not bad. If with 3, it's okay. That's how you trade. That's how.
Let's see.
Still not done. I want to see 365 is the level up there. 65. So now your stuff should be break even. Be sitting back and chilling. It sucks that the move took forever to play out. But if you're looking at all your other tools like your EE bars and stuff, right? After that pullback to 265, and then the candle closed above POC 300, right? That was the first time we got some green bars, consecutive green bars. So even if you're not looking at data flow or whatnot, right? You can tell price is finally trying to change direction.
And that's volume is coming in now.
Right.
So buyers are more interested. We got above Asia low, so we'll see.
Right. So now your next target is 365. Okay. It's supposed to be easy. Patience is what gets most of us. Right? You can't wait for the rate setup to come to you. You're gonna fumble that bag. And maybe next week I'll teach you guys something. I'll show you guys something once we release the actually you guys already have the price tracker. So I'll show you guys something next week.
Okay.
Sounds
Which
good.
price? The old one.
So what now?
So which price tracker? The one we already, like the regular one, the one we already have with like lazy money.
Yeah, price tracker you already have is good enough for what I'm showing you. Should do. All right, 55. So can we get 65? But I'll show you guys something next week. Just remind me next week, Tuesday or Monday or whenever we meet. These entries, because you get some really nice entries if you see things the way I see them. All right, I got a bail for a few. I'll be back in about 20 minutes ish.
All right, sounds good.
Let me let's put this thing down on the live stream.
Sounds good, man.
Yep. Quick recap. First trade, we got in around 910. We sell. Smoked about 270 ticks on that, and then we got a pullback quick buy of what was the level? That was called. Yep, around 440, and that gave us about 160 ticks. Then we started coming back down, and then the entry for the sell, subsequent sell was around 29,400, 402 area. and that gave us about, let's say, 500 ticks. And we started to consolidate, pull back, all that kind of stuff. Got a quick buy up for about 195 ticks from the 285 level initially, and then we came right back down, tried it again, got smoked on that one, and then we tried it again around 1026, and that's, if you held that, that's currently running about 320 ticks. So in addition to that, scalps that Ghost was calling out, where it was adding more contracts to it. So whichever way you played it, you made a ton of money today. Like I said, make sure you don't give money to the market. Today's Friday. Whatever you made, make sure you lock it in. Don't do anything crazy. As always, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more. To join us in the free channel, the link is in the description. And to join us in the premium channel, reach out to WBE Master on Discord or Telegram for access. This has been another edition of WBE TV. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again next week.
Alright, goodbye guys. Next 30 minutes.